All right, at this point, the glue is set up, the nails are in there, the case is complete, and so we need to come up with some finished measurements here. My toe kick is gonna go right in here, and so we wanna make sure we've got the correct distance there. And we're actually gonna need to take a measurement here to get the actual length for our toe kick and the width of our back piece. Okay, and we'll go back to the panel saw and we'll cut that to the appropriate length and width so that we can put screw pockets into there, and that actually holds this whole thing together. We'll actually even be able to square it up a little bit more. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to take the router head off and put the saw head back on. Process is very similar. Disconnect my power and dust collection. Loosen my thumb screws. Get your plate aligned with those bolts coming out. Tighten down those thumb screws. Reconnect power and dust collection. Now we're ready to make our cuts. So since we still have our midway fence set up and our saw head attachment is on now, I'm actually going to utilize that to make that specific cut for my toe kick, that cross cut. Simply because it's still on here and it's comfortable for me to make this cut this way. And I got that dimension based off of the case of my actual bookshelf that I made. It could be different from your case. Just so it turns out that mine was 21 and 11/16. So that's what I set mine to. So that's the cut I'm gonna make. For your toe kick and your back, you want to make that specific to your project. So I've written the plan so that they're too long and too wide on purpose, so that once you get to the point where your case is made, you take that measurement. It just so happens that mine is 21 and 11/16. Yours might be different, but I'm going to go and cut this so that it's going to fit perfectly in there to my project.